Hey everybody, Dave Williamson with another collection to reveal for you right now. This one's been sitting on my desk for a couple of weeks, finally got around to it. It has a 72 car Matchbox case in it, full of cars, Matchbox, Hot Wheels, and some other stuff. It's really cool, and I think you're gonna enjoy this. This is fun. It was fun for me because I have already made the video. This is the introduction to get you to watch this video. Now watch it right now, and be sure to subscribe. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. 4,000 subscribers already, and that is really fantastic. I need 4,000 more, so jump on board, subscribe to Toy Car Collector TV channel here on YouTube, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let's get started. Hey everybody, Dave Williamson here. Time to open up another box of toys. It's right here. Right down here on my table, a box of toys. Check it out. All right, let's get this box open. The funny thing about this box, it's been sitting here since the 9th. Yeah, the 9th, something like that. And it is the 21st today, I believe. I am losing track of time. That's what it is. Okay, I'm going to get this box open. The funny thing about this box is I know there's a Matchbox case in here, but the box does not really seem like the right size for the Matchbox case that I think is in this box. So hopefully it's not just rocks and stones and twigs, that it is actually Hot Wheels and Matchbox. Hot Wheels and Matchbox. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it does fit in this box. Son of a gun. Boy, I hope I can clean this up. I love these cases. This particular Matchbox case is one of my favorites. It comes in two styles. This is the one with the picture printed on it. The other style is the picture is embedded under clear plastic. Oh, look at that. It's got a little musty mold on it, but so far it looks like it's pretty nice. Clean that up. We'll clean that up with, I like to use Simple Green. Simple Green. Do not use Formula 409 because that'll take the paint right off of it. But oh, look at that. So far, 11 collections this year. And I tell people to wrap up the Hot Wheels, and they do it, which is really cool. Look at this. This is neat. This has got catalogs. 69 catalogs for Hot Wheels. Nice ones. Very nice. Collectors International. Nice. Two of those. 76 and 68, that's kind of spread out on the Matchbox. And the Fast Cars book. I have a Fast Cars book already, but you can always use another one. Maybe I'll read you the story sometime. I think somebody has already read this story online. But anyway, I was mostly interested in the Hot Wheels, but they're a Matchbox. So let's look at the Matchbox, for crying out loud, and see what kind of shape they're in. Well, I know there was a few models that I need, particularly, this is an awfully good one, the tow truck. Can you see it? Tow truck? Let's see. Zoom it on in. That tow truck. This is one of the 10 most popular Matchbox in the later series, so to speak. And let's see what else is really popular. Well, the pickup truck is popular, but it's kind of got to have the canopy on it to be complete. But it's a very popular model. Popular. Let's see, the boat and trailer. This one is the super fast wheels rather than the regular wheels. That's a good one, a very popular model. See what else we have in here. We've got the Ferrari Berlinetta. That one's actually pretty popular. Not as popular as you would think because it's so cool. This one's in excellent shape. Put that one down there. Got the Mercedes truck and trailer. Got a scaffolding truck with no scaffold on this one. And you got the Mercedes in blue. That's a good one. That's a good one. Not super popular, but I like it. And then the Lincoln Continental, which is fairly popular. They look to be in pretty good shape. This one, super fast, is obviously junk. But, oh, and you got the Unimog back there. Cool, cool. Let's put that aside. See what else we've got here. And we've got some girders for the girder trucks. Oh, look. Okay, the fire engine, that's a popular one. This is the one without any markings on it. Some of them say something on it. I don't remember what it is that they say. Garbage truck. We've got the Ford Cortina. Yep. We got the sight hut truck in there. Oh, there's the lid for the Ford pickup. Nice. All right. They got the scaffolding and the This one is in there. Is it a super fast? Yes, it is. You know, actually, I need this one because I've got a set that needs a scaffold truck with super fast wheels. Fantastic. That is so great. So great. There was some silver pipes in here, which is kind of odd because I don't know what that is. Here's an Aurora Speedline car. Actually, should say cigar box car. These things are really cool, but they're not that popular because you don't see them very often. And when you do see them, they're all beat up. So it's kind of hard to get excited about stuff you would never see in good shape. I mean, you know, it's like anything. Look at that. See, that looks so much better. That's a nice car. Look at that. All right. Matchbox. I love Matchboxes, but you know, they really need their boxes to hold their value. Well, the Matchbox with the boxes are popular, and there's a few models that are still popular without the box occasionally. But most collectors these days would like to have the boxes with them. And here's your number 42 Studebaker. That's a good one. This one's fairly popular too, the Mercedes. So got a variety of conditions in here. So that's kind of cool. Oh, wait a minute. This is like the least popular Matchbox I've ever run into. The Hovercraft. For some reason, this one's a super dog. Nobody really likes it. It's not really a car. It's not really a boat. It's not really anything. Oh, this was cool. Too bad it was all beat up. This is a Monkey Mobile. What's left of one anyway. It's about got nothing left of it. Doesn't have any wheel caps. Doesn't have the roof. Doesn't have the monkeys. I don't think this one came with the monkeys, but that would have been cool. Now here is something different. This is kind of cool. This is the Ford pickup and camper from the Lindbergh, the Mini Lindbergh line. That is Mini Lindbergh, and this one is broken, but it still displays, and it's got little stickers on it. That's kind of fun. Mini Lindbergh line. Let's see, there's another variety and a couple other things in here that are kind of odd. This is what is this? This is a Mini Motors made in Hong Kong. It's just an all plastic pipe truck. Got some goo on it there. All plastic pipe truck. That's kind of cool. Mini Motors. I don't know what that is. Here's one of the popular Matchbox, the Honda and trailer. That's a popular one. Now the bad news is that there's no boxes to go with these Hot Wheels. The good news is I got a whole bunch of boxes that I've been saving. And I don't know if I have cars to go with them or not, but we will find out. Now here's another nice one here. The Impy Roadmaster Ford Corsair Fire Chief. This is a nice one. Yeah, I always like these Impy Roadmasters. They're pretty popular. Not a big dollar car, but very popular. Oh, here's another one of the most popular Matchbox. The standard Jeep number 72. People love the Jeep. Even though the tires fall off, they all fall off because the hubs have shrank. Wrong kind of plastic, at least for long-term existence. But so that's pretty cool. And then the bus. If you need a bus, I got a whole bunch of those. Buses are, I always thought that was cool, but not as cool, I guess, as everyone else thinks. It's kind of dumb. And here is the Trailer Caravan. I love the Trailer Caravan. It does come in pink, and it does come in yellow. A yellow. So let's go back through here again. I've got a bunch of those already. Got a bunch of those. Tractors are hard to get in any good shape because, you know, they're fun to play with in the dirt. And then you got the, this is the one for the John Deere tractor. And here's the Tojo. He's pretty cool. That's like a 73 or 74. Now they went from Matchbox with black tires to super fast. And the first series of super fast looked like that. It's called the transitional years. Transitional year 1970. They converted the majority of the 1969 models into these super fast wheels. And when you look at the super fast, it's these thin ones that are really popular in the transitionals. Super popular. And then later on, as the 70s progressed, they went sort of, I like to call it the psychedelic years. They got bigger, fatter, weirder, and then they got these big old fat tires too. So those are kind of fun, not super fun. I don't collect them. I don't know anybody that really does. Let's see what else is in here. We got the cattle truck, the Mercedes. We got the field car. This one in super fast. That's cool. That's cool. And then here's the Dodge pickup or Dodge dump truck, and the what is this? This is the tractor shovel. That's actually really nice. That's a nice tractor shovel in good shape. A couple of these need to be cleaned up. This one, oh, this one's super fast. And this one's just a beater. That's a junker. And then there's the Mercedes bus, which I have like 18 of in boxes. It was an auction a few years ago where I bought a bunch of Matchbox in boxes. And some of them I just really didn't need, but I got them by accident. Got carried away. You know how that goes, get carried away. Oh, here's the girder truck. And that's a nice shape, girder truck. And there's plenty of girders in here. I think there's plenty of girders. There's some parts in here. The girders, whoa, everything's falling out. Now it's going to be on the floor here. You're going to have a huge mess, as usual. And here is the DAF tipper, number 47, I believe. And this one's fun. This is Case Bulldozer. This one's nice. The tops tend to get broken and bent a lot. And this one's still got the original treads on it, so that's fantastic. Good bunch of Matchbox here. Look at that. Did I go over those? Let's see. I went over those. Yeah, that one, this one, that one, and the other one. And the only few left are, let's see, the number 1. That's a nice set. Look at that. And the paint's not sticky. Some of these Matchbox cars, in particular, this one and the Ford Cortina, can have sticky paint. Also, the Mercury wagon can have sticky paint. Something's bad about them. This particular one's got the paints just come off altogether there. And you can see the raw metal on it. Can you see it? Yep, right there, right there. All right, and you got the Lincoln Continental and let's see, the Mog said that one already. So that is all for the Matchbox. Maybe I'll probably wrap it all up here with the overview vid of the collection of Matchbox. And then we'll get started on the Hot Wheels reveal. That will be the next video in this series. Matchbox, this one, and Hot Wheels Redlines reveal next. Thanks so much, folks. Have a great day. Bye now.